Mood disorder.
Mood disorder, yeah.
Said that he is inpatient treatment, that he has a mood disorder, and they believe that he will be fine and bounce back. But people are not having it. They're not accepting this, Angela.
U.S. Rep. Jesse Jackson Jr., they made a statement yesterday.
Yep. And said that the statement came from a doctor. No one knows the doctor's name. No one knows what hospital. No one knows anything. And just said, mood disorder.
He is receiving intensive medical treatment at a residential treatment facility, though.
Not bipolar.
So they don't call it that. But whenever you hear mood disorder to this extent and magnitude, that's kind of the first thing that I think about is possibly bipolar disorder. But I don't know.
I need to know where he is because I got several people I would like to refer there.
That are moody?
OMG. Several people. And I need to know what kind of meds he on. See if he can slide us a few that we can put it in a communion cup. Because obviously the blood ain't working. So we're going to try dope now. But we're praying for him. Yes. But I do believe they got to come up with a little bit more than that. Because, you know, some people are saying that he's actually hiding and afraid because of the investigation that's going on. I mean, it's a lot going on right now.
Okay.
So they coming at it. But you know what's the sad part about it? He's not saying anything. So when you don't say anything, you give them the opportunity to tell your story. Mm-hmm. You need to tell your own story. Mm-hmm. You speak up for yourself. Or
even leave people to their own assumptions.
Exactly.
Right. Right now. You're assuming.
Right now. Mm-hmm. But I need to know where you're at, bro, because I got some people I need to refer there. 312-591-3878. Time for Scavenger Hunt. You got to be at home to play the game. 312-591-3878. Got to be at home. Do a little running around. You'll be all right. Breathe. 312-591-3878. Got some awesome tickets for you. Scavenger Hunt, $13.90.
It's the John Hanna Morning Show.
Are you behind on your mortgage? Are you